I'm in the shed with the fast track and a couple of fence, but what you're going to see now has got a lot more horsepower than any of these. It's a helicopter. So we've got some fans to lift on the roof. Just at a building site, moving all the bits of debris so that we can land a helicopter in the middle of that concrete and lift them fans onto the roof. We're just picking up all the bits at the downdraft off the helicopter. We'll put airborne, so there's bits of plastic, bits of insulation and bits of everything everywhere. Yeah, so there's 12 of these fans that are as big as me. I'm going to move them in order up onto the roof. The building, I think, is 300 metres by 250 metres. I'm going to pick them up, take them over, drop them in a hole, come back down, pick the next, so it's sort of 12 lifts it'll take. So I'll try and get some video footage if I can, but I'm going to be putting the hooks on the bottom. There's someone else on the roof taking the hooks off the top, so we're trying to do it quick. And if we need fuel, it's going to land on this apron here, this brand new concrete. There'll probably be a lot of dust kicked up when it lands. We've just been a litter pick around the outside, so there's no bits of debris going to go flying or bits of building material that were left. There's a few builder's bags and polystyrene and stuff, bits of drainage and that. So land on here, fuel up, carry on, or fuel up to go back. Might do it all in one tank. Stuff like this could just be picked up, blown round in a circle and go back into the rotors and cause damage. That's the size of the building. Well, one bay of it. Saw some grain in there, wouldn't you? You know it's a big building when it's got a speed limit inside it. It's vast. They're pretty trick, them concrete panels. They've obviously put this limestone into it as the concrete's gone off, so it looks like a dry stone wall, but really it's concrete panels. Like a retaining wall for the yard. What did you say it was, 100 foot high?
Something like that, I think it is, yeah.
The size of the forks on that, really. Huge. Massive. Fans are going up there on them square holes. Better late than never. £10 hook on line. This has just come from the top of Scotland after refueling a diesel generator that powers a EE phone mast. Nice royal blue. Done. 1, 2, 3. Another 9 to go. Just as the hook starts to get near the floor though, the rope starts dancing, so we let it drop it on the concrete first. So it helps left. Last one going up now. Camera just fell over. Perfect day for it. Could have been dead windy. I've had that in to try and stop the wind. Just coming to land now, it's going to fill up with fuel. You can go back. Line off as well. Doesn't need that on in case he pulls people's phone wires down on his way home. Massive that exhaust, isn't it? Get the gearbox level in the back before we get a lift home with it. Tying the rotors so they don't spin in the wind. So while I've been out playing helicopters, lifting fans on the roof, a new bucket's come, and it's not just any bucket. It's CHEERY. The CHEERY Products bucket. So with X-Form, which is what the steel that's really strong. And it's not any ordinary bucket either. It's all Merlot brackets, but it's a birthday bucket. So inside, there's so many people whose birthday it's been. We've got them all, you can't see, let me flip the camera. Yeah, so it's a birthday bucket. So we've got Fraser Lowe, Jack Bell, Mike Ryan, Robin Barker, and Kirsty Garraway, is it? So I've written all inside with my chalk, just like a school teacher would. And yeah, new bucket for grain. The other one will just then be dedicated for chip, and it'll mean that we won't have to keep cleaning it out all the time. Also, we've got a bag lifter that's arrived as well, lifting big bags. That is over there in the dark, so we'll have a proper look at that tomorrow. Also, probably by the time you watch this video, we'll have hit 25,000 subscribers. That is a quarter of the way to the 100,000, which is where you get a plaque off YouTube. So thank you everyone that subscribed, and don't forget, if you're a new subscriber, say where you're watching from. If you want to watch another video, it's up there. If you want to subscribe, it's over there. You might be the 25,000 subscriber, because I think there's only 3 to go at the time of editing this video. Any questions about today's video, just ask. The Unimog, sorry, not the Unimog, the MB track and the 1455 will be coming very soon as well. So I'll explain a little bit about them and how I'm paying for them, or how you're sort of paying for them actually by watching this channel in the next few days. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow.